Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get iPhone iOS keyboard on Nokia C21 Plus. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Here try to find an app called Green Apple Keyboard. Now select it and download it. When it's ready, click on Open, enable it in Settings, switch input methods to English Green Apple, and click on Finished. Now if we open any app that allows us to write down, we can see that the keyboard is changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.